Hey again, it's Mr. Lum, and we're going to do some more electrochemistry. And today we're going to be looking at how we can balance half reactions. Okay, so here is an example of a half reaction right here. Now, whenever you're given a question, the reaction should always tell you if the reaction is happening in an acidic solution or if it's happening in a basic solution. Okay, so how we're going to balance this reaction right here in an acidic solution is we're going to use this idea of kind of a memory cue for us called major hydroxide, or in other words, the hydroxide ion is OH minus. So we're going to use this idea of major OH minus. Okay, so you can think of some kind of general, or, well, I guess not a general, you're thinking of a major in the army, and his name is, or her name is, OH minus, or hydroxide. Okay, and this is kind of a memory cue for us. So the first step is going to be balance the majors. The second step is going to be balance the oxygens. The third step is going to be balance the hydrogens, and the final step is going to be balance the charge, and that's shown to us by the negative here. So there's going to be 4 steps. So again, first step, balance the majors. Okay, so we have S2O8, 2 minus, and HSO3. So the majors in this one are not our oxygens or our hydrogens. Our majors are everything else. So our major right here is S. So if we're going to balance this, it's going to turn this into S2O8, 2 minus, and we're going to put a 2 right here. Okay, so now we have 2 sulfur and 2 sulfur on both sides. Step 1 is done. We've finished balancing the majors. Now we're going to balance the oxygen. Okay, so we have, and how we're going to balance oxygen is by adding water. So this is a little bit different. So oxygen balanced by adding water. So we'll just say add water. So what we see here is we have 3 oxygens on this side, and we have 8 oxygens on this side. I'm just going to rewrite this equation again. Okay, so we need to have some more. So we have 3 oxygens here, but remember it's times by 2. So we have 6 oxygens on this side, 8 oxygens on this side. So we have 8 oxygens and 6. We need to have 2 more oxygens on this side. And so we're going to add a water. So now we have 8 oxygens on this side, 6 here, and 1 here. So that's only 7 oxygens. So we're going to put a 2 in front of that. So 8 oxygens, 6 plus 2 oxygens is 8 oxygens. The oxygen is balanced. Okay? So now we are done step 2. Now we're going to do step 3. Balance the hydrogens. Hydrogen. Okay? And how we're going to do that is by adding H plus, like acid. So I'm just going to write this out pretty quickly again. S2O8, 2 minus, 2HSO3 minus plus 2 water. So how many hydrogens do we have here? Well, on this side we have 0 hydrogens. We can easily see that. This side we have 2 hydrogens right here. So I'm just going to write in blue 2 just to give myself a little memory. And we have 2 hydrogens. 2 times 2. This is 4 hydrogens right here. Okay, so we have a total of 6 hydrogens. So what we need to do is we need to add 6 hydrogens on this side. So we're going to go plus 6 hydrogens. So we've done step 1, 2, and 3. Now we need to do is step 4. Balance the charge. And how we're going to do that is we're going to add electrons. Okay? So again, I'm going to rewrite this, and I know it's getting a little bit tedious writing this out every time, and you don't have to do this. If you're writing a quiz or a test, you can just add on to it. But it's good practice, and it's good to show that we can do it. Okay, so now let's check out our charges. I'm going to again write in blue so I can keep my head straight. Anyways, we have HSO3 minus. We have 1 minus charge here. However, it's times by 2. So we have a total charge right here of -2. This has a total charge of 0. This has a total charge of also -2. But this has a total charge of +6. Okay, so we have the total charge here is +4, and the total charge here is -2. We have to make these equal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 6 electrons. Now my total charge on this side, I'm going to write down below here, my total charge on this side is -2. My total charge on this side is also -2. So now my charge is balanced. So what we see here is that everything is balanced. If you check everything, your majors are balanced. S2, okay, 2 sulfur, 2 sulfur. Good. Oxygens should be balanced. There's 8 here, and there's 6 plus 2, 8 there. The hydrogen should be balanced. Okay, 2 here, plus another 4 right here. That's 6 hydrogens, and we have 6 hydrogens here. Good, so hydrogen is balanced, and our charge should be balanced. Okay, we have a total charge of -2 on this side, and a total charge of -2. Okay, and so this is our final answer. Whoa, box is not very good. Now, this is our final answer, and also too, it's in a acidic solution, and we see that yes, it is in an acidic solution. That's why we have H+ here. Okay, next time we're going to look at how do we balance it when it's in a basic solution.